Hey YouTube, welcome back. It's Magician33. If you haven't already liked and subscribed, please do that now. Today I'm just going to show you how to fan a deck of cards. Okay, so we'll go for a mechanics grip, and then we're just going to, it's quite simple, easy fan, but it wasn't easy when I first started. So for the likes of Zane and everyone else in the world, I'm going to teach you. So we're going to go from here to about halfway down the deck. This is how I first learned actually. About halfway down the deck, and well, actually you could use just 2 fingers. And now with your index finger you're going to spin around, releasing a few cards at a time. It works easier with a brand new deck, especially like a deck like Bicycles, and then you don't have to pressure fan or anything like that. But for now, you're going to hold the deck with 2 fingers, and you're just going to release pressure over your finger. So you can get this. Show you it from a different angle. These angles are a bit crap, aren't they? Let's face it. Okay, you can see this clearly. 2 fingers underneath. With this finger, we're just going to be releasing pressure slowly. It's just practice. So yeah, just practice it, practice. From underneath, it looks like this. Faces are nicer sometimes. Ooh, cards opposite way around. Guess what card it is? Leave it in the comments if anyone gets it. I'll give them a deck of cards, and I won't lie. Alright, so that's it for today. Hope that was helpful. Just learn how to fan a deck of cards. Makes you look like a pro, bro. Alright people, I'll speak to you next time.